Hi everyone, it's Sharon from Miracle Healings. I'm here to do a collective reading for the week of the 26th. And it's also a new moon tonight in Gemini. So let's pick a card. Two cards, have a card come out for the week of May 26th. And we have this beautiful tree that you're looking at. It's a wisdom tree. It's got lots of wisdom. Nothing's coming out yet. We got one. And we got one more. There's the other one. Okay, so we have two for the week of May 26th. This one is door to personal healing and happiness. The next one is angel of strength. So to me right now, it looks like the collective is feeling really good during this new moon in Gemini. Personal healings, happiness coming to you, and you have strength within yourself to move ahead and do all the goals and the dreams that you want for yourself, that you imagine, that you dreamed. Use that strength to have personal healing and happiness within yourself. So those are really good cards. I was going to read it from the book, but I think the information that came through was great. My next video after this is going to be a short, but the video is going to be done tonight and uploaded tomorrow on how to clear your negative energies within yourself, around you in your home. And then at the end of it will be a message. So that's it for now. I hope you're having a great day or a great night, and talk to you soon. Take care.